Hello, I'm Hayla, and today we'll be discussing the number I. Not the letter I, the number I. And I know that can get confusing. But to make it even more confusing, the number I is an imaginary number. What that means is it's not actually possible, but it's used to make equations more simple. Technically, the number I is the square root of -1. What that means is I squared equals -1. I to the first equals I to the third equals -I, and I to the fourth equals 1, which is the coolest and easiest to use. No matter how many times you multiply I by itself, it will always equal I, -1, or 1. To find out which one it will equal, you do the exponent it is, divided by 4. If it comes out to be 1/4 after the decimal point, 2/4, 3/4, or 4/4, you will know whether it's I to the first, I to the second, I to the third, I to the fourth based on the numerator. You may be asking yourself, but why is this important to me? Well, if you're stuck in an equation with a negative under a square root, it's not actually possible, because a negative and a negative always equal positive, and a positive and positive always equal positive. So there's not going to be a real number that comes out of a negative square root. I will get rid of the negative in a square root. That is why I is important, because it makes equations more possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope it makes more sense.